Alright, hello everyone, thank you for joining on this another live stream for today. This is a 15th of February and this is on Monday. So sorry, usually the live stream starts about like 1 hour before, but today I had to start at this time because I had to follow up on one of the DCS members earlier. So let me start the live stream for now in this time, and I wanted to give some analysis on this Euro Pound today. So let's get started. Before starting here, just a quick disclaimer. This information is basically based on my experience and knowledge. So when you take trades, please do within risk. Oh, and thank you for the messages about the earthquake. There was a huge earthquake in Japan, including Tokyo, 2 days ago, and I got lots of messages and emails and comments. So I'm fine here in Tokyo, so thank you for your comments, messages, and my families are all safe here. So yeah, it was huge. It was M7.1 in the north part of Tokyo, north part of Japan. So it was a huge earthquake, but somehow I survived. Yeah, actually there is a live stream. That happened right after I started the live stream. About 2 minutes or 3 minutes later after the live stream, it happened. So I had to stop the live stream once and I did the live stream again. So that was a huge earthquake. But so thank you for the messages everyone. I'm okay here now and safe. Alright, so thank you for joining everyone. Let me say hi to everyone. Real, Slav, Golam, Mohammad, Aditya, Golden, AW, Brian, Roy, Chan, Nguyen, and Kayon Thanapol, and Yan, Karim, Chu, and Asif, and thank you for joining everyone. Great to see you here. Great to see you. So I found a new opportunity on this Euro Pound today. So this is the pair that I want to talk about today. So Euro Pound is going down. This is a daily chart, and you can see the Kumo's going down this way. Kumo's going down nicely, especially the Senko span AB are going down. The upper part is called Senko span B, and the lower part is called Senko span A. When it's down Kumo, this way, and when it's up Kumo, then upper part is Senko span A, and the lower part is Senko span B. And when they exactly dead cross, this is the Kumo twist, and now this is bearish Kumo over now. So now we have BA downtrending, and Kijun Sen, the green one is called Kijun Sen, and this is also going down this way. Very nice downtrending at the moment. And also this Tenkan Sen is going down. You see Tenkan Sen is going down. The blue line is called Tenkan Sen, and this is nicely going down this way. And what's more, Chikou span. Chikou span is another important Ichimoku lines, and this is going down this way. And this is below the candles. So in the daily chart, from these findings, this is a very stable and decent downtrend. So I will look at the lower time frames to look for the sell chance in this case. So let me go down to the lower time frame. Alright, Tuan and Cashflow, thank you for joining. And Coop, thank you for joining on this Ichimoku community. Thank you for joining. So make sure you access the Discord and join the Discord and get all the perks. Thank you for joining once again. And stay gold, Coop. So yeah, we can find that this is the stable downtrending, And before going down to the lower time frames, I wanted to mention one thing, is that the recent low. I think that in this case the target is going to be at 0.8681 level, because this is a recent low from these days, from last year's April. There was recent lows over here, so this is my initial target, and we have from here we have down like 46 pips downwards. So I expect the market go down continuously in this case. So looks like we have enough room to take trades. So before going down to 5 or 50-minute chart, I look at the 1 hour chart and make sure this is going down also. And let's see, in 1 hour chart, yeah, this is going down because we see Kumo Senko span B flat. Hold on, Senko span B is flat at the moment, but Senko span A is going down this way, and Kijun Sen is going down also. So I can see that there is a potential downtrend in this case. And Chikou span is below the candles too. So this is a nice downtrend. Yeah. And also, let me switch it to 30-minute chart. In 30-minute chart, let's see. So this is flat ranging because we see Kumo down. We can see Senko span B down, but Senko span A is flat, and Kijun Sen is flat at the moment. So if I see Kijun Sen flat, then I would stop looking for the buy chance in 30. But because I see downtrending in 1 hour chart as multiple time frames, I will be looking for the sell chance in lower time frame. So I hope this part is clear for everyone. Hold on, let me refresh the page. Looks like this is kind of freezing at the moment. Alright, Muhammad, thank you for joining. Yeah, Ichimoku is powerful. If you can analyze the market exactly by Ichimoku to capture trends, then you should be fine. Because I have been using Ichimoku for the last 5 years, and it's been working great. I use exactly the default settings, and it's been working. So you don't want to switch these settings of Ichimoku. So first you want to take the original settings of Ichimoku, and then after you become confident, you can switch these settings. You can shift the time frames, and you can also change the settings. But for me, I use 9 for Tenkan Sen, 26 for Kijun Sen, and 50, 51 for 52 for Senko span B, and it's been working for me. So that's good. Alright, TikTok, thank you for joining. And Xian, thank you for joining from Istanbul. A wonderful snow. That's good. That's good. It's a winter time. It's exciting. So thank you for joining. Alright, Raful and Jack, thank you for joining as well. Great to see you here. Alright, Beetle and Shiva, thank you for joining as well. Great to see you here. So yeah, so once again, I see daily chart to be downtrending at the moment. Hold on, yeah, so daily chart downtrending, and also in 1 hour chart it's downtrending too. In one, hold on, let's see. In 1 hour chart on this Euro Pound, this is downtrending. So this is exactly, I look at the 1505 to capture exact the trading edge to sell. So let's see, in this 15-minute chart, I look for 3 confirmations. In one, I see that there is a Bollinger Band squeeze. So I use Bollinger Bands as one of the confirmations, and I see this band squeezing. So this is one of the confirmations for the sell chance, because once it squeezes and after it expands, I expect the market go down this way. So when you see Bollinger Band squeeze, that means the market is kind of charging the energy for the next move. So whenever it squeezes, it actually goes up or down sharply. So now it's squeezing in 15-minute time frame, so I expect the market go down in this case. So that's one of the confirmations. And other one, in this case, I look at the Fibonacci lines. I take the Fibonacci from the previous high and low and see if this pin bar is the bounce of one of these levels. And I can say that this pin bar bounce is exactly at 38.2%. This at 38.2%, it's bouncing. So actually this is bouncing like twice over here. So this is my strong second confirmation to sell. So I look for one more confirmation for the selling edge, and most likely in this case I take the breakout. I take the breakout of the previous low at this 0.8718 level. So if it goes down this way, then I will take a sell at this level. So this is a scenario in a 15-minute time frame. And next I look at the 5-minute time frame and see if I can find 3 confirmations also to take a sell. So in this case, I never look for the buy chance. I only look for the sell chance. And look for 3 confirmations on this 15 or 5-minute chart, because this is downtrending in 5 and also 1 hour chart in higher time frames. Alright, KM, thank you for your reminder. So if you liked today's live stream, please press a good button before you leave so that you can, I can keep going on my analysis and videos in the future. Alright, Alper Hogger and Giorgio, thank you for joining as well. Great to see you. Great to see you here. So now as expected, the market breaks downwards. So and also I can find that there is a dead cross on stochastics. Looks like the stochastics dead crossing at the moment. So this is another confirmation to sell. So hold on, for the candle exactly on this previous candle, I find the stochastic dead cross, and this can be one of the confirmations to sell. So in 15-minute time frame, I wait for the candle close. So this candlestick is gonna be closing in about 3 and 30 minutes. 3 and 30 minutes. So let's see if it closes below the previous low at this 0.8718 or not. So this is my 15-minute time frame analysis, and now let me switch to 5-minute chart. So in 5, I also look for 3 confirmations to sell. And in this case, let's see. So I see this 38.2% bounce once and twice. So this is one of the indication for the downtrend. And also I see that there is a counter trend line breakout. So this is a counter trend line. And I see breakout. So this is a nice confirmation. Second confirmation for sell. So because I expect the market go down on this reversing wave, and once it breaks and once it goes down this way, I expect the market continuously go down this way because higher time frames are downtrending. Daily in 1 hour chart is going downwards, so I expect the market go down on these 5 and 15 minute time frames as well. So that's another confirmation. This kind of trendline breakout. And speaking of this Bollinger Band, this is a bit too expanding, so I don't take Bollinger Band in this case for confirmation. And also Stochastic has been dead crossing. It actually dead crosses over here, and this is a bit too late, so I don't take this Stochastic dead cross for confirmation because this is a bit too late. And now it's breaking downwards, so the breakout is actually one of the confirmations too. So in this 5-minute candlestick, it closes in about 1 minute. So let's monitor for the next 1 minute, and if it closes below, then that will be a sell chance. So once again, this is Euro Pound, and once again I see this downtrend confirmations on the daily chart and 1 hour chart, and I'm looking for the sell chance on this 5-minute chart and 15-minute chart. Alright, Kiel, thank you for joining. Yeah, 5-minute chart is breaking downwards too. Yeah, right now it's breaking down. So, but make sure you wait for the candle close, because in about 20 seconds the candle is gonna close, but we never know. It might become a pin bar pointing downwards, and this might be the close. It might this candlestick might gonna close like this way. Oh, okay, so now it closed, the candlestick closed, and this is below the previous low. So now this is a great sell chance for me. So I will take a sell. So once again, as a disclaimer, this information is basically my experience and knowledge, so when you take trades, please do within risk. So I would take a sell over right now. And in this case, my stop loss is above the previous high, and I take this wick as a previous high. So my stop loss is up here, and the stop loss pips in this case is 12 pips. Well, 12 is a bit too tight, so in this case I prefer to take the second previous high. In this case, up here, I will take the second previous high so that I can have enough room to the stop loss. So I take this 22 pips of stop loss and take a sell right now. So let me see, Euro Pound, let me take a sell right now from the mobile. So I take trades from mobile usually because handy, and this is much easier to operate. So I take 2 positions and 1% risk per each trade I take. Okay, so it's done now. Okay, and I expect the market go down this way continuously. In this case, I expect the market go bearish in the wave along the way. But once it goes backwards towards my direction, then I will exit. So I think that was a good confirmation to sell in this case. Let's see. Roy says, how many pairs can you trade and manage at once. I take 2% risk. I take 2% risk for whole market. So I am already risking 2% on this particular trade. So unless I set the break-even line, I don't look at other markets to take trades. So 2% for whole trades I take for the risk. Hello Euron, thank you for joining. Great to see you here. I did a backtest at the Istanbul stock market with Ichimoku for the weekly time frame. It's not working fast enough, but for daily 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, it's almost perfect. Okay. So yeah, weekly chart is a bit too long, so that's why I prefer to take daily or 4-hour chart for these markets. Yep. Okay, TikTok says, hi Mr. K, I don't know to say thank you, my trading better and better because your channel. Today I grow my small account 18%. Hoping family always healthy. Oh, that's a good news. You get profit 18 pips, 18% of your account. That's a good news. But make sure you be consistent. You don't want to be happy on one single trade or few trades of profit. You don't want to be happy. Make sure you take trades at least 20 times, 20 or 30 times, and then you become profitable. And finally, you can say that the strategy works. So the strategy should be tested over time, and yeah, you want to take trades, at least 20 times to take trades, and make sure it's working for you. So once again, this is downtrending. So let me come back to daily chart. Daily Ichimoku, this is downtrending. Yeah, everything's going down. So in the daily chart on Euro Pound, it's going down. And also in 1-hour chart, this is going down too. It's going down. So I was looking for the selling edge in 5 and 15, and I found that in 5, I found 3 confirmations. Fibonacci bounce at this 38%, and this is a breakout, the breakout, and also the China trend line breakout too. So that means in this case, I expect the market to go down this way on this reversing wave. But in case it doesn't happen, then I will exit. And in this case, the target is going to be based on the daily chart, because originally in a daily chart I found the downtrend. So my target is on the daily chart previous low, which is over here from last year's April. We see the previous lows at this 0.8677 level, which is down 46 or 47 pips down, and this is my target right now. So I have almost like 22 pips of stop loss, and my target is 46 profit, 47 profit. So this is about 1 to 2 risk and reward ratio. And I expect the market go down once again this way on this 5-minute chart. So let's see if it happens or not. Okay, let's see. Sinan says, with formation plus Ichimoku, I'm not very fast and very effective, okay? yeah, you have to capture the decent downtrending per Ichimoku. So that's the most important part, because you have to follow the major trend direction, otherwise you don't want to take trades. When it's ranging in daily or 4, then I don't really take trades. Well, sometimes I take 1 hour or 30 for the trending direction and take trades. But in that case, I only take 1% risk per trade. I never take 2% risk per trade if I only see 1 and 30 to be down, but daily forward chart to be flat. How do you exit before the stop loss? So I exit before the stop loss when I see the bullish confirmation after I take a sell. So if I see the reversal confirmation, in this case, so I took this breakout. I took the breakout and kind of trend line and Fibonacci. So if I see the market violates on these confirmations, then I will exit. So that means if the market goes up and breaks the previous high at this level 0.8722888 area, then I will exit over here, because afterwards the market might go up continuously like this way. So if I see the potential reversal, then I will exit. Yeah, Roy, you're welcome. You're welcome. Mr. K, can we see your Fibonacci retracement settings? Yeah, so simply I take 61.8% and 50% and 38.2% and 23.6% for Fibonacci lines. I think these are the standard Fibonacci lines that I use. And once the market breaks this 61.8% level in 5-minute chart, then for sure it's gonna be the exit timing for me. I will exit over there for sure. Okay, Chan says, so in Forex tradings, you should day trade and not weekly chart. Yeah, in my opinion, you can take daily or 4 for the major trend direction. Yeah, because Forex pairs, if you think about it, are basically based on the currency power between one currency and other. So in this case, Euro Pound, you see the power balance between Euro and Pound, and that's why the market moves over time. So let's say you see weekly chart trending, or let's say you see monthly chart trending. That means the power balance of the currency is imbalance. For example, like Euro might be too strong when it's uptrending, and Pound might be too weak when it's uptrending. Especially when it happens in weekly or monthly chart, that's what it is. And Forex pairs does not really have the trend in monthly or weekly charts. Weekly chart sometimes we see some trends, but monthly chart we don't see trends in Forex pairs due to these reasons, because these are the two currencies power balance. So in other words, if you see monthly chart to be trending on one of these pairs, that means the power balance is imbalance. In stock markets indexes, we oftentimes see monthly chart to be trending, but in Forex it's unlikely, because if you see monthly chart to be trending, most likely one currency is too strong over the other currency, which is unlikely in Forex. And that's why I recommend you to take daily or 4 to take trades. Okay, Leo says, hello Kay, I did not know that you do live on Monday. Oh, I do live on Monday too. Yeah, I do. So today, this is 1 hour later. But I do the lives and videos every day on my YouTube channel. So you can always follow me. Can you check GU? Okay, can you check pound JPY? Alright, check. Let me check the GU and GJ later on. Yeah, this might become a fake breakout, and if it becomes fake breakout, then simply you exit. Yeah, with their own rule. Do you still do Kihon Suchi Henkabi price observance theory? Yes, I do. In daily chart, I do. Let's see. Kenchu says, hi Kay, do you view band walking in higher time frames? No, I don't. I only take band walkings on lower time frames, in 5 or 15 minute time frames. I do. Let's see. Cash flow says, can you go over how to take trades with time analysis, my friend, or in other life? Yep, sure, I can do that. Yeah, time analysis and price theories, let me cover these areas on my future lives. Let's see. Brian says, the stochastic setting 30-10-10, is it also work in well in mid and higher time frames? Yeah, for sure it works in higher time frames. As long as it's trending, for sure it works. So yeah, my stochastic setting is 30-10-10. So hold on, yeah, I use this is my stochastic settings, and for person K I use 30, and person D I take 10, and slowing I take 10. So this is a bit slower setting of stochastics, but once I capture these crosses, this becomes more reliable because this is slower, so it doesn't give me oftentimes fake signals. I can rely on these signals because these are slow. If it's too quick, like 533 stochastic settings, if it's too quick, then you get lots of fake signals, and that's why I make it a bit slower so that I can get caught by these. I don't get caught by these fake cross signals on stochastics. Let's see. Okay, K Jenny says, hi K-san, how do we know if it's a fake breakout? The fake breakout we know after the event. So in this case, this might become fake. If you sell right now over here, then this might become fake and the market goes upwards this way. And the market might continue to go up this way. So basically, you cannot know whether this is going to be fake or not. But I think more important thing is if it becomes fake, then when you exit, should be a part of your scenario before you take a sell. And with the risk management strategies, you can avoid these fake breakouts. Alright, so let's see. Amit says, did you try trading cryptocurrencies? No, I don't. I don't trade cryptocurrencies. Okay, 1233. I think it's too short, too small, I think, for stochastics. I prefer to use 30-10-10 because this is a bit more slower. Alright, so let's check quickly on pound USD higher time frame. On the daily chart, hold on. On the daily chart, pound USD, this is a nice uptrend. So I think this is also a nice pair to take trade. And let me confirm this in 1 hour chart. Alright, in 1, this is going up. The Kumo goes up, Kijun Sen up, and Chikou span above the candles. So I think this is another nice one to look for by chance. And let's see, pound JPY daily chart. I think it's still going up. Yeah, pound JPY, this is going up too. Very nice. Very nice uptrend. And I'm sure it's uptrending in lower time frames. Let's see, in 1 hour chart, this is also moving up. So I think this is another nice one to look for the buy chance in lower time frames too. And let's see, pound CAD. Pound CAD, let's see, in the daily chart, this is flat ranging. We see the Kumo flat at the moment. So although you see Kijun Sen up and Chikou span above the candles, this span become fake. Because Kumo's flat at the moment. And let's see, in 4 hour chart, in 4, this is also flat because the Kumo Senko span B flat and Senko span A is up, but Kijun Sen is flat. So we have to wait for the Kijun Sen to move up in 4, or in the daily chart also, you want to wait for this either Senko span A or B up to look for the buy chance. So in this case, I prefer to look for the buy chance of pound JPY and pound USD for the daily chart because these are more stable uptrending. And also, let's say USD JPY is also the uptrending. And also Euro CAD, I found, Euro CAD is now flat ranging. So let me cancel this flat at the moment because Kijun Sen is flat. And the Euro Pound daily chart is going down right now. Very strong and stable downtrending. So yeah, basically this is how you can capture which pair to take trades in which time frame to take trades. And let's say Euro AUD. Earlier I saw the downtrend in the 4 hour chart. And let's see, in 4 Euro AUD it's flat because Kijun is flat at the moment. So let me cancel this one. And let's see, in a daily chart, pound AUD flat exactly in the Kumo, and pound CAD is also flat. AUD USD is also, this is potential uptrending. This is a potential uptrend because we see Kumo up. We see Kumo, Senko span B up, A up. And the Kijun Sen is flat at the moment, but we might see Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen, Gold Cross. And after we see Chikou span breakout, then that will be a buy chance. And this is something that I posted on this TradingView community. So now I have a new account. This is my new TradingView account. So I posted. Hold on, let me. If I can show my analysis. So hold on. That was this one, AUD USD bullish. I posted like this one. So I expect this AUD USD bullish because simply because now this if you look at the comments below here, this Kumo Senko span BA both up and price landed above the forecast lines and on the 10th of February. So these are forecast lines. These yellow lines are the forecast lines, and on this 10th of February, it actually above it became above the forecast line over here on exactly on this day. So now I expect the market continue to go up this way, and that's why I expect the gold cross over Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen. And if you see Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, gold cross above the Kumo, that will be very strong. It's gonna be very strong for this continuous uptrend. So after it happens, and after I see Chikou span breakout, then that will be the buy chance to look for. Yeah, Jack Smith, thank you for joining. Great to see you. Thank you for joining. Yeah. And AW, pound USD 515, not nice. Okay. So if you cannot find 3 confirmations to buy or sell, then better not to take trades. And yeah, Locke, thank you for your comment. I'm fine. So that's the AUD USD pair analysis. So okay, let's see. Let me come back to the chart. Oh, this one. Okay, so Euro Pound is still downtrending, and I was looking for the sell chance. Well, actually, I took a sell over here now, and I expect the market go down continuously. So hold on. Sorry about that. So I expect the market go down on this bearish in the wave. Bearish in the wave, I expect the market go down in this lower time frame. Let's see, check the divergence between the indicator and the price, also with a slow stochastics. Yeah, divergence is also important. So in this case, I checked divergence, and this is a actually bullish divergence happening at the moment. So bullish divergence meaning that the lows are getting lower on the price, but the lows on stochastics are getting higher. So this is bullish divergence. So it might go up this way. It might go up. But this is downtrending. So this cannot be the confirmation to exit. I mean, in this downtrending, we see divergences on these lower levels. But this also can be fake, because this is downtrending. So I expect the market go down this way. So in other words, if I see divergence at the higher levels, then that might be a good selling chance. But now I don't see the highs. I mean, I don't see the divergence in the highs, because highs are getting higher, and highs are getting higher on this price action too. So I only see the divergence on the lows, and this might become fake because this is downtrending in the long run. So yeah, that's actually one of my confirmations. Let's see. Well, safe yet to go. All right. So yeah, you can come back to this live stream on archive later. Sure. Stay gold. Asif. Let's see. C. Leo says, Kaysen, if you have a confirmed uptrend in a daily chart, but it already quit, it's already quite close to the previous high resistance, do you still look for entry chance? Yes, I do. I don't fit the breakout on the daily chart, because when it's uptrending in the daily chart, then I expect the market breaks for the upwards. So, and I expect the market breaks the previous high. So as long as I seek 3 confirmations in lower time frames, I take a trade. Let's see how to follow on TradingView. Oh, so how to follow TradingView. So here is my TradingView account. So if you search ForexK-official, and you can follow myself. Maybe you can find the follow button somewhere, and you can follow my analysis every day. So I created this account 6 days ago, and I will keep posting my analysis on this account. Let's see. Haven't you sold too low? This is not too low because this is only in 5-minute chart. And I only captured the trailing edge in 5, but basically I'm following the daily chart direction. So in the daily chart, it's going down. So I'm actually selling right now, and I expect the market to go down this way. So this is not too late because the previous low is all the way down at this 0.8677 level. So I expect the market to continue to go down this way. So this is not too late to sell because I have still about like 47 pips downwards to the previous low. Yeah, band walking can be the exit confirmation too. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, as for the retest, I value it on higher time frames. And in this case, I don't wait for a retest because the market is downtrending. And I don't, so retest can be one of the confirmations, but once again, as long as I find 3 confirmations, then I enter the market. A retest for sure can be one of the confirmations, but if I can find 3 other confirmations besides retest, then I already enter the market too. Because retest doesn't happen always. Sometimes the market goes up and down without retests. In that case, you lose a chance. So instead of believing the retest, you better look for 3 other confirmations to sell or buy. Because in this case, once again, I expect the market to go down on this reversing waves. And that's my expectation because this is downtrending. And in that sense, I don't have to wait for the retest. Yeah, say Leo, you're welcome. You're welcome for your question. Let's see. Would you wait for AUD/USD to break the daily high? Oh, so AUD/USD. Let's see. AUD/USD daily chart, and by Ichimoku. Yeah, in this case, I wait for the retest. I wait for the breakout. Or in this case, I wait for the gold cross of Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen. So on this daily chart, I think right now they are still overlapping. So most likely next day, tomorrow, on the 16th of February, it's gonna gold cross Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen with gold cross, and then Chikou break might happen. And then I look at the lower time frames tomorrow and look for the buy chance. Yeah, so I will look for the buy chance even before the breakout of the previous high. And I am actually a day to swing trader. I mean intraday to swing trader. So let's say I take a buy over here with the 3 confirmations in lower time frames, and then once the market goes up and be resisted at this level. In that case, on this daily chart, the Kumo should be flat and the Kijun Sen should be flat at that time. And I know this is the exit timing in lower time frames. But once it breaks, once it continues to break, then the Kumo should be trending up and Kijun Sen should be trending up also. So there's no reason for me to exit yet. So I value to exit by these previous high confirmations. Well, actually I don't exit at the previous high, but I will exit when Kumo Kijun Sen goes flat. That's my exit confirmation. Alright, K Jenny, you're welcome. You're welcome. I hope you liked my analysis and explanation. Okay, let's say AUD CHF is on uptrending. Could you check by chance, Mitsuke? Yeah, so let's check AUD CHF now. So AUD CHF daily chart is, yeah, now this is uptrending. We see Kumo up, Kijun Sen up, and the Chikou span above the candles. So I will look at the one, and let's see in 1 hour chart. Yeah, this is also going up now. We see Kumo up, Kijun Sen up also, and Chikou span above the candles in 1 hour chart. So I look at the 15 and 5 to look for the buy chance right now. So in this case, I expect the market go up on this bullish wave, like this way. And that's why I look for the buy chance exactly right now on these lower time frames. Yeah, T20, you're welcome. You're welcome. TK cross, Kumo direction, Chikou breakout. Is this confirmed? Consider the 3 confirmations. No, this is the confirmation in higher time frames. But 3 confirmations should be made in lower time frames, in 5 or 15 minute time frames. Okay, let's see. What's your thoughts on Euro JPY? Let's see. Euro JPY, I think it's ranging. Let's see. In the daily chart, oh, this is going up now. I think I missed this one. Hold on, let me get the flag over here. Euro JPY is breaking higher, and this is uptrending on daily chart. But one thing is the Kumo is too thin in the daily chart, so it might go backwards this way. And also Kijun Sen is still in the Kumo, so this is a still, there is a potential reversal, like a reverse still. So let's check the 4 hour chart now. Okay, in 4 this is flat. We see Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat. So in this case, I wait for the breakout of this engulfing candle. Then I look for the buy chance afterwards. I look for the buy at this engulfing breakout. That's my view on this Euro JPY. Because now this is engulfing, so the market is losing its direction. So it might go up and down, and we don't know which is going. But the daily chart is uptrending, so I expect the market breaks higher. But in case the market breaks lower on this Tenkan-sen and the previous candle's low, then I won't look for a buy chance anymore. And that's my scenario on this Euro JPY. Oh, see Leo, you're welcome. I hope you get the idea here now. Okay, so alright, so that's pretty much about for my analysis today. So I hope you enjoyed today's analysis. So yeah, tomorrow is going to be the recorded video or the live. I will let you know by the announcement. So I hope to see you tomorrow on Tuesday's analysis as well. And also I made a video on this about this GTS class. Was at the on this GTS, it's fitting soon. This is about from April to June session, and I created the video. Hold on, let me refresh page. I made a video on this website on DHS. So if you're interested, you can watch this video and you see what you can expect on my trading strategies. And you can always welcome to join the GTS from April. Alright, so everyone, thank you for joining. And I will see you soon. So stay gold and stay healthy. Bye for now. Mata ne. Mata ne means see you in Japanese. So, mata ne everyone.